Hi everyone. Today we are going to start our book 2B Primary Mathematics, chapter number 9, explanation with complete solution, from page number 1 to 8. Solve chapter number 9, more word problems, page number 1 from the book 2B. So let's start. The worksheet number 1 is two-part word problems. That in this worksheet we have to solve the two parts of the word problem. So let's start with question number 1, which is Junhao has 35 red marbles and 23 blue marbles and 42 green marbles. So total we have three different types of marbles: 35 red, 23 blue and 42 green. How many red and blue marbles does Junhao have altogether? So number A is you have to find out that how many red and blue marbles Junhao have altogether. It means we have to add red and blue marbles together. Number B is how many marbles does Junhao have altogether. It means we have to add red, blue and green altogether. So let's start. First we have to write the red marbles 35 and then blue marbles 23. 35 plus 23. Let's add the numbers. Here we have the space. So 35 plus 28, 23, 35 plus 23, 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 3, 5, 58. It means that Junhao has 58 red marbles and blue marbles altogether. Now, number B, how many marbles does Junhao have altogether? So red and blue is 58, 58 plus 42 green marbles. Now 58 plus 42. 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 and 1 on the next number. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So Junhao has 100 marbles altogether. Now move on to the next page, page number 2. Page number 2, question number 2. Anne has 900 rupees. She spent 450 rupees on a board game. She bought a gift that cost 380 rupees for her mother. How much money did Anne spend altogether? And how much money did Anne have left? To find the altogether, we have to add, and to find the left, we have to subtract. So 450, the amount she spent on board game, and 380, the amount she spent on the gift. Now we have to add both the numbers. 450 plus 380. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 on the next number. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. So total is 830. Now Anne spent 830 rupees altogether. How much money did Anne have left? She have total money 900. Now we are going to subtract 900 and 830. 900 minus 830. So let's subtract 900, 830. 0 and 0, 0. We cannot subtract 3 from the 0. So we are going to take the borrow from 9. So 9 become 8 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So the remaining number is 70. 900 minus 830 is 70 and had left rupees 70. Page number 3. On page number 3 we have a question that box A has mass 270 gram. Box A is 75 gram heavier than box B. So first is what is the mass of box B and what is the total mass of box A and box B. So box A is 270 gram. Box B is 75 gram heavier. We don't know this number, we just know the 75 gram heavier. So first we are going to subtract 270 from 75. 270. Now let's subtract 270 minus 75. We cannot subtract 0 from 5, so we are going to take the borrow. We cannot take the borrow from 7 because 7 minus 7 is also 0. So we are going to take borrow from this to become 1. 7 becomes 17. 16 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 16 minus 7, 9. And 1, 195. So the mass of box B is 195 gram, because box A is heavier than box B. So it means we have to subtract 75 from box A, so we can get the answer. Now, what is the total mass of box A and box B? The mass of box A is 270 and the mass of box B is 195. 270, 195. Now add both the numbers. When we add 270 with 195, we get 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 7, 16, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 465. The total mass of box A and box B is 465. Page number 4. Okay, on page number 4 we have question number 4, which is there are 747 peoples at a school camp. 392 of the peoples are girl. How many boys are there, and are there more boys or girls at the camp? How many more? So what we are going to do, we just simply subtract 747 with 392. So let's subtract 747 with 392. 2 minus from 7 is 5. 9 cannot be subtracted from 4. So we are going to take the borrow. 7 becomes 6. 4 becomes 14. 9 minus 14 is 5. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 355. There are 355 boys. How many boys are there? There are 355 boys. So this is number A. Number B is 392 minus 355. 392 is girls and 355 is boys. So we are going to add there more boys or girls at the camp. Obviously the girls are more because 392 is greater than 355. And how many more? To find out that how many more, we are going to subtract. So when we subtract 392 with 355, let's check. We cannot subtract 2 from 5, so we are going to take the borrow. 9 become 8 and 2 become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 37. Girls are more than boys. 37 more girls. How many more girls? 37 more girls. Page number 5. Question number 5. Page number 5. Question number 5 is Bala and Sam had 550 stamps altogether. Sam gave away 96 stamps and had 229 stamps left. How many stamps did Sam have at first, and how many stamps did Bala have? So first we have to find out that how many stamps Sam have. To find out this, we are going to add 96 and 229. Let's add 96 and 229. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2 plus 1, 3. So, how many stamps did Sam have at first? Sam have 325 stamps at first. Now, how many stamps did Bala have? From 550, we are going to subtract this 325. 550 subtract 325. 5 and 0 cannot be subtracted, so we are going to take the borrow. 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 225. Bala have 225 stamps. How many stamps did Bala have? Bala have 225 stamps. Page number 6. Question number 6. Here we have page number 6. Question number 6. Farhan cycled from his house to the hawker center, then to the library. From the house to the hawker center to the library. This and this. Farhan cycled 320 meters from the library back to home. As you can see, how much shorter was his journey back to home? So first he cycled from the home to the hawker and to the library. So 280 plus 150. You can say from home to hawker 150 and from hawker to library 280. So we are going to add both the numbers 280 and 150. This and this. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 13. 2, 3, 4. 430. So the total distance from Farhan house to the library is 430. He cycled 430 meter from his house to the library. Now from the library he moved back to his house. So from the library 430 subtract 320. The distance he is going back. So 430 minus 320 is 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So 110 meter was shorter to back home. Page number 7. Page number 7, worksheet number 2. 2 steps, 1 word problem. Again the same word problems. Here we have Ahmed has 120 stamps. He received 14 stamps from his father. He then gave 29 stamps to his friend Tom. How many stamps does Ahmed have left? So 128 plus 14. Ahmed has 120 stamps and he received 14 stamps from father. So 128 plus 14. 128 plus 14, let's add. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And 1. So the total stamps Ahmed have is 142. Now he gave 29 stamps to his friend. So 142 minus 29. 142 minus 29. 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 1. 113. Ahmed has 13 stamps left. Now next page. Page number 8. Now here we have there are 787 people on a train. At the next station 98 people left the train and 114 people got on the train. How many people were there on the train? The total number is 787 and the people left is 98. 787 minus 98 is 689. So there were 689 people on the train after 98 people left. Now when 98 people left, 114 people got. So we are going to add 689 with 114. 689 plus 114 is 689 plus 114 is 4 plus 9 is 13. 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. So total 803 people on the train then.